SAPSD interview questions and answers.
Here are SAPSD, Sales and Distribution, questions and answers. What is SAPSD? SAPSD is the module in SAP ERP that manages all aspects of the sales and distribution process. What are the key components of SAPSD? The key components of SAPSD are sales, shipping, billing, pricing, and credit management. What is a sales organization in SAPSD? A sales organization is an organizational unit in SAPSD that represents a legal entity responsible for the sale of products or services. What is a distribution channel in SAPSD? A distribution channel is an organizational unit in SAPSD that represents the different channels through which products or services reach customers. What is a division in SAPSD? A division is an organizational unit in SAPSD that represents a product line or group of products. What is a sales document in SAPSD? A sales document is a record that represents a business transaction between a company and its customer, such as a sales order or a delivery. What is a pricing procedure in SAPSD? A pricing procedure is a set of conditions and rules that determine the prices and discounts for products or services in SAPSD. What is a condition record in SAPSD? A condition record is a master data object in SAPSD that contains information about the pricing conditions for specific products, customers, and situations. What is a material determination in SAPSD? Material determination is a functionality in SAPSD that allows you to substitute one product with another during the sales process based on predefined rules. What is a customer master record in SAPSD? A customer master record is a master data object in SAPSD that contains information about a customer, such as contact details, payment terms, and credit limits. What is a delivery document in SAPSD? A delivery document is a record that represents the physical shipment of products to a customer. What is a billing document in SAPSD? A billing document is a record that represents the invoicing of products or services to a customer. What is the difference between a sales order and a purchase order? A sales order is created by a customer to request products or services from a company, while a purchase order is created by a company to request products or services from a vendor. What is the difference between a quotation and a sales order? A quotation is a document that provides a customer with pricing and product information before they place an order, while a sales order is a formal request from the customer to purchase the products or services. What is the difference between a delivery and a shipment? A delivery represents the process of preparing and packing products for shipment, while a shipment represents the physical movement of products to the customer. What is a credit limit in SAPSD? A credit limit is a predefined maximum amount of credit that a customer is allowed to use for purchasing products or services. What is a consignment stock in SAPSD? Consignment stock is inventory that is owned by a company but is stored at the customer's location until it is consumed. What is the difference between a plant and a storage location? A plant is an organizational unit in SAPSD that represents a physical location where materials are produced or stored, while a storage location is a sub-level unit within a plant that represents a specific storage area. What is a shipping point in SAPSD? A shipping point is an organizational unit in SAPSD that represents a specific location within a plant where goods are loaded for delivery to the customer. What is a route in SAPSD? A route is a sequence of transportation stages that define the path for delivering goods from the shipping point to the customer. What is a batch in SAPSD? A batch is a subset of products or materials that are produced or manufactured together and share common characteristics or properties. What is a return order in SAPSD? A return order is a sales document in SAPSD that represents the return of products from a customer to a company. What is a free of charge item in SAPSD? A free of charge item is a line item in a sales document that represents a product or service provided to the customer without any charge. What is a rush order in SAPSD? A rush order is a sales order in SAPSD that requires expedited processing and delivery due to urgent customer requirements. What is an availability check in SAPSD? An availability check is a process in SAPSD that determines whether the required quantity of products is available in stock or can be procured in time for delivery to the customer. What is a credit memo in SAPSD? A credit memo is a billing document in SAPSD that represents a credit or refund issued to the customer due to returned goods, pricing adjustments, or other reasons. What is a rebate agreement in SAPSD? A rebate agreement is a special pricing arrangement between a company and a customer, where the customer receives a rebate or discount based on predefined conditions. What is a shipping condition in SAPSD? A shipping condition is a criterion used in SAPSD to determine the shipping process and requirements for delivering products to the customer. What is an output determination in SAPSD? Output determination is a functionality in SAPSD that determines which forms or documents should be printed or sent electronically to the customer during the sales process. What is a partner function in SAPSD? A partner function is a role or relationship assigned to a business partner, such as a customer or vendor, in the sales process. What is an incompletion log in SAPSD? An incompletion log is a tool in SAPSD that displays a list of missing or incomplete data in a sales document and prompts the user to enter the required information. What is a sales area in SAPSD? A sales area is a combination of a sales organization, distribution channel, and division, which defines a unique sales and distribution channel for a company. What is a partial delivery in SAPSD? A partial delivery occurs when only a portion of the ordered quantity of products is available for immediate shipment to the customer. What is a cash sales order in SAPSD? A cash sales order is a type of sales order in SAPSD where the customer pays cash at the time of order placement. What is a customer complaint in SAPSD? A customer complaint is a record in SAPSD that represents an issue or problem raised by a customer regarding products, services, or the sales process. What is a billing plan in SAPSD? A billing plan is a schedule that defines the timing and frequency of invoicing for a sales order, typically used for long-term or installment-based sales. What is a third-party order in SAPSD? A third-party order is a sales order in SAPSD where the company acts as an intermediary between the customer and a vendor, and the products are directly shipped from the vendor to the customer. What is an inquiry in SAPSD? An inquiry is a document in SAPSD used to request information or a quotation from a company without placing an actual order. What is a backorder in SAPSD? A backorder is a situation in SAPSD where the requested quantity of products is not immediately available for delivery, and the order is put on hold until the products become available. What is a billing block in SAPSD? A billing block is a status set on a sales document in SAPSD to prevent the invoicing process until the block is manually removed. What is a picking list in SAPSD? A picking list is a document generated in SAPSD that provides instructions to warehouse personnel for picking the ordered products from the storage locations. What is a shipping notification in SAPSD? A shipping notification is a document generated in SAPSD to inform the customer about the upcoming delivery of products, providing details such as shipment date and tracking information. What is a delivery priority in SAPSD? A delivery priority is a classification assigned to a sales order in SAPSD that determines the sequence or urgency of the order's fulfillment. What is a credit management in SAPSD? Credit management is a functionality in SAPSD that controls and monitors the credit limits, payment behavior, and creditworthiness of customers to minimize the risk of bad debts. What is a consignment fill-up in SAPSD? Consignment fill-up is a process in SAPSD where the company replenishes the stock of consignment materials at the customer's location based on the actual consumption. What is a billing plan date in SAPSD? A billing plan date is a date specified in a sales document in SAPSD that determines when the billing for that document should occur. What is a pro forma invoice in SAPSD? A pro forma invoice is a preliminary invoice created in SAPSD to provide the customer with an estimated cost for products or services before the actual delivery or billing. What is a material determination condition in SAPSD? A material determination condition is a pricing condition in SAPSD that defines the rules and criteria for substituting one material with another based on specific conditions. What is a delivery block in SAPSD? A delivery block is a status set on a delivery document in SAPSD to prevent the shipment of products until the block is manually removed. What is a shipping condition in SAPSD? A shipping condition is a criterion used in SAPSD to determine the shipping process and requirements for delivering products to the customer.